Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dee. To all my Egyptian followers there, Masa Alkir, Ana Didi, Ana Henof, and Masyagama. So for today's video, we're going to discuss all these products that I am using. These are all my favorite product, guys, and they are really amazing. I can find the right words to describe how happy I am that I've discovered OGX Keratin oil line. I have been using this, guys, for almost a year now, and it's amazing. My hair is silky, strong, no split ends, grows like crazy, and so shiny. And the smell, it's really heavenly. This damage repair shampoo helps resist breakage caused by brushing and styling as it strengthens split ends, guys. It's also strengthening your stresses, and with this OGX anti-breakage plus keratin oil shampoo. This also designed to reduce fizz. The fortifying shampoo also help increase elasticity so you can maintain longer, stronger locks with luminescent shine. How to use this shampoo, guys? It's very easy. Apply the shampoo generously to wet hair and massage it into lather through the ends. Rinse the hair thoroughly after shampooing. Follow with the conditioner, guys. So it's very easy way to use this keratin oil shampoo. It's made in France. I really love it. Very excellent. And we're going to the conditioner, guys. It's the same benefits that we can get. And how to use the keratin oil conditioner is also very easy. We're just going a little bit for the formula that they are using for this product. It has the sulfated, surfactant, and paverans. So it's indulge also fortify strength your stresses with damage repair conditioner. Formulated with keratin and argan oil, the fortifying conditioner helps prevent breakage and strengthening split ends. Also reduce the frizz. So how to use the product, guys? This is how to use the product. Just after the shampooing, apply the conditioner generously to your hair, working through to the ends. And wait at least 3 to 5 minutes before you will rinse it. Just rinse it very well, guys. So guys, if you are struggling to find the right product for your hair, try this product. It will make your hair healthier, softer, and shiner. Really, this product will help you so much. And the smells is just a bonus on it. And it's not that much expensive. Try it. It will not make you regret, guys. So guys, you can order this product online as well if it's not available with your supermarkets in your countries. This is one more amazing, excellent product that I've ever used, guys. So, it's the Pantene. It's improving the hair health as well. And when I'm using the Pantene, I really feel it's clean throughout the day. Pantene shampoo anti-hair fall, guys. It gently cleanses and makes hair stronger against breakage due to styling damage. It also improves hair's resistance to styling damage and styling induced stress. Leave your hair visible, healthier looking with every wash, guys. So, for hair prone to breakage, this is very suitable for you, and it's also suitable for everyday use. It's also for 100 ml. It's a very good quantity. It's made in Germany. Moving forward, everyone, we have here our Milky Damage Repair Shampoo. This shampoo is deeply nourishes and helps restore hair natural beauty. It's also a Protein Pro V Milky Damage Repair Shampoo, guys. Delicate formula with milky lotion that looks moisture inside your hair. It's also help your hair to repair from styling-induced damage. So work to protect your hair as well from future damage due to styling. So it's also good for a dry and damaged hair. It's suitable for you everyday use. If you want the best result, Use with the Pantene Pro Milky Damage Repair Conditioner and Hair Treatment. So guys, it's your choice if you're gonna use the same conditioner of your shampoo. But for me, I'm using a different one. I have some specific conditioner that I really love to use too. It's not about the other is not good, but this what I love to use. So we're gonna discuss it for later. Here we are guys, we have the Pantene Goodbye Summer Freeze, another Pantene product. I really love the packaging of this. It's so cool. This one of the coolest packaging that Pantene ever made. So this Summer Freeze, as per its name guys, I use only this one on summer. Some of you might think why I'm using this product just in summer. As per the name guys, it's a summer collection, and sometimes our hair, it's depending on the weather. Some product that we are using on the winter might not work in the summer. Some product that we are using in the summer might not work on the winter. So for me, this product really works on me on the summer. So it has 72 hours freeze control, aggravated by humidity. It cleanses hair and prepares for moist absorption. Summer collection guys, suitable for everyday use. So guys, we have our Pantene 3 Minutes Miracle in here. I really love using this product as well. It's really give my hair shine and smooth and smells also amazing. It's like a treatment or a mask. It's almost the same guys. In fact, it outperforms many of the lesser treatments and masks I've tried. This is very easy also as well to use. After rinsing off shampoo, apply this conditioner 3 Minutes Miracle on your wet hair, starting at the tips and work towards on the roots. Let it absorb into your hair, then rinse it off. Dry and style your hair as usual. Use it with everyday wash. So it's very important guys for us to use a conditioner. Always using conditioner after shampooing your hair guys. Just don't forget using conditioner. It will last your hair fall and it will make your hair more shinier and softer. That is all the product that I am using for my very long hair to make it shiny and softer and healthier guys. So I'm gonna give you some tip for keeping your hair healthy, like learn your hair type, wash your hair based on how often it gets dirty or oily guys. Don't wash it daily. Apply your shampoo on your scalp instead of your entire length of your hair, only in the scalp. So use conditioner as what I told you. Use your conditioner daily after shampooing your hair. And be gentle to your hair. And protect your hair from the heat guys. So that's some of the tips that I can advise or I can give you guys. Thank you for watching everyone. I'll see you on my next video. I'll give you some more tips to make your hair more healthier, shiner, and longer. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click like and share. Bye-bye.